Yes, good morning everyone. How are you all? Welcome back to online classes again. In the last class, we are dealing with some theorems on circles. The four theorems we completed. Now, the problems which are based on these theorems. Okay, one by one we do. Here, there are two circles intersecting at P and Q. And their centers are O and O dash. The distance between them is 4 centimeters. So we have to find out the common chord for these two circles. Okay, na? That means what? O is the center of one circle and O dash is the center of the another circle. Then the distance between O and O dash is 4 centimeters. The radius of the first circle is 5 centimeters and the second circle is 3 centimeters. So very simple. If you observe the triangle O dash P, O is the center of first circle and O dash is the center of the other circle. These two are intersecting at P and Q respectively. So we should find out the distance of P and Q. It is a common chord. Common chord means the chord which will be for first circle also, which will be for second circle also. So very simple. If you consider the triangle O dash P, then it is very clear that 5 square is equals to 4 square plus 3 square. 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16, plus 3 square is 9. That means what? 25 equal to 25 means this will satisfy. So if you observe, this is nothing but Pythagoras theorem. When the Pythagoras theorem will be applied? When the triangle is right angle triangle, then only it is possible. So it means that O dash P is a right angle triangle. Then we know that if a perpendicular drawn to the chord, then the perpendicular will divide the chord into two equal parts. Therefore, what happened? QP will be divided into two parts, equal parts, that is OP and OQ. If OP equal to 3, then which implies that PQ equal to 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeters. Like this, we have to find out the length of the chord. Did you understand? Yeah. Clearly, please take the proof. So very simple. First write the data. What he has given data. In this data, two circles of radius 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters each. Both are intersecting at P and Q. The distance between O and O dash is 4 centimeters. Okay, na? This is the data. To prove what we have to prove or what we have to find the length of chord PQ. Okay, na? So very simple proof. Consider the triangle O dash P. So OP square is equals to O dash square plus O dash P square. So it is 5 square equal to 4 square plus 3 square. So it is nothing but 25 equal to 16 plus 9. Therefore 25 equal to 25. That means what? It is a right angle. Therefore OP O dash is a right angle triangle. Therefore PQ equal to 2 times of O dash P is equals to 2 into 3 equal to 6 centimeters. Understood? So like this we have to prove. Okay? Please take down. So very simple problem. See, I told you, if you know the theorems, then it is very easy to solve the problems. If you forget the theorems, then it is not possible to implement it, right? Because these are all the applications of the theorems only. If you know the theorem, then only you can apply the theorem. Otherwise, simply you can't write by one of the theorems like this. Understood? Yes. Second problem. So very simple problem. Here one circle is there. In this circle, two chords, that is two equal chords, AB and CD, are intersecting at one point E. Then we have to prove that the intersection points, that is EB, BB equal to ED, we have to prove. Okay na? For this very simple, yes, two chords, I am doing like this. Draw perpendiculars. One is OP and one more is OQ. Now join this. Now perpendicular means like this and like this. Okay na? Now, if it is perpendicular, the distance from the point, from the center to the chord is equal, because we have proved that the distance from the center to the equal chords will be equal if they are perpendicular. That means what? OP equal to OQ, angle P equal to angle Q equal to 90 degrees, and OE is common. OE is common. Therefore, R, H, yes. R, H, yes. These two are congruent. Therefore, corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, what happened? PE equal to QE. QE equal to PE. Okay na? Yes. But CP is equals to PD and AQ equal to QB. Why tell me? Because since it is a perpendicular means it will divide this part into two equal parts. Therefore, like this. Now, very simple. In AB, you take out AE and you take out CE. Then what happens? EB will be equal to AD. Okay na? So very simple. Now, shall we prove like this? Yes. Here you can prove AB and CD are two equal chords. Two equal chords. In this, AB and CD are intersecting at E. Then what we have to prove? We have to prove that EB will be equal to ED. So very simple. Next, construction. Draw OP perpendicular to CD and OQ perpendicular to AB. Join OE. Okay na? Next proof. Very simple. In triangles OPE and OQE, OP OP is equals to OQ because by construction, directly you can write by construction, angle P equal to angle Q equal to 90 degrees. This is also by construction. OE equal to OE. Therefore, OPE, triangle OPE is congruent to triangle OQE by which condition? RHS condition. By RHS condition. Therefore, what happened? PE will be equal to QE by CPCD. Okay na? But what is but? OP is perpendicular to CD and OQ is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, CP will be equal to PD and AQ will be equal to QB, right? But you can take like this. Now you see, when equals are adding to equal means what happened? Like that only. AQ. So AQ plus QE is equals to QB. Sorry. Here CP plus PE. Therefore, what happened? AE equal to CE. This is second equation. Now already we know that AB equal to CD. Subtracting. Therefore, AB minus AE equal to CD minus CE. AB minus AE. AB minus AE means EB will be equal to ED. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, na? Please take down. Yes, one more problem. It is still easy. Same figure. AB and CD are two equal parts. Then this draw OP perpendicular to AB, OQ perpendicular to CD. They are intersecting at E. So we have to prove that angle OEP equal to angle OEQ. Okay na? Very simple now. You see, already I told you, draw perpendicular OP perpendicular to AB and OQ perpendicular to CD. Perpendicular means what? It is 90 degrees. Now consider these two triangles OPE and OQE. P equal to Q because construction. OE is common and OQ is equals to OP. Why? Yes. If you draw perpendicular to the chords, if perpendicular to the equal chords, then the distance between them will be equal. From the center will be equal. Therefore, OP equal to OQ. Right now. Therefore, what happened? By RHS condition, these two are congruent. Congruent means what happened? Corresponding parts are equal. Therefore, angle OEP equal to OEQ by CPC. Understood? Yes. Now, data. Write down please. What is the data? In the circle, equal chords, otherwise AB and CD, which are equal chords, intersecting HE to prove what we have to prove? Angle OEP equal to angle OEQ. So proof very simple. Yes. Draw OP perpendicular to AB and OQ perpendicular to CD. Join OE. Right? Now consider the triangles. Consider the triangles OPE and OQE. OPE and OQE. Angle P equal to angle Q equal to 90 degrees. OE equal to OE, common side. Right up? Yes. Next, OP equal to OQ because AB and CD are perpendiculars. Therefore, triangle OPE is congruent to triangle OQE by RHS condition. Okay na? Yes. Therefore, angle OEP is equals to angle OEQ by Cbse. Yes. Two concentric circles are there. Do you know what is the meaning of concentric? Concentric means both are having same center. If the chord is drawn for the bigger chord, B, C, D. So we have to prove that AB equal to CD. So very simple. Now for that what I am doing is draw OP perpendicular to BC also and AD also. Then we know that since it is a perpendicular, therefore it will divide the chord into two equal parts. Therefore, BP equal to PC. This is the first one. And second one is AP equal to PB. Now subtract this from this. That means what? 2 minus 1. What you will get? AP minus BP equal to PD minus PC. AP minus BP, what will get? AB. And here what will get? C. This is the. Okay na? So very simple. How to prove this? Now we can write data. What data is given? In two concentric circles, AD is the chord which is intersecting the small circle at B and C. To prove, what we have to prove? AB equal to CD. Understood? Now very simple. Now construction. Draw OP perpendicular to AD. Now take the first small circle. Yes. In the small circle, BP equal to PC. This is 1. In the bigger circle, AP will be equal to PD. Second. Now subtract 1 from 2. So what you will get? AP minus BP equal to PD minus PC. Therefore, AB will be equal to CD. That's it. Okay, na? So like this we have to do. Yes. Very interesting problem. Rashmi, Salma and Manidi are playing like this. Yes. They are playing on the circle Rashmi, Salma and Manidi. The radius of the circle is 5 cm. Here it is 5. From here Rashmi to Salma is 6. Now we should find out the distance between Reshma to Manidi. We have to find out the distance between like this. So very simple. Okay na? Now take this triangle. When you take this triangle, first draw perpendicular anything. For example, this is O. PQ, OP is perpendicular. Perpendicular means what happened? This is the isosceles triangle. Right? Therefore, 100% this will divide this into equal parts. 6 means it is 3 and it is 3. Now we will find out by applying Pythagoras theorem the altitude. So altitude, how to find out? OR square is equals to RT square plus OP square. OR square is 5 square is equals to 3 square plus OP square. So 25 minus 9 is equals to OP square. 16 equal to OP. Therefore OP square and OP equal to 4 centimeters. Understood? Now height is how much it is? 4 centimeters. If you observe this ORSM, it is a kite. It is a kite like this. Here these two are equal. Automatically these two also will be equal only. Okay na? These two are equal means 100%. And diagonals bisect each other at right angles. At right angle means we will find out the area of this also. So area of this we will find out. Area of ORS is equals to half into RS into OP. So half into RS is 6 into OP is 4. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 12 centimeters. Sorry, 12 centimeter square. Now, when it is 12 centimeter square, if you have taken this base is also same area, if you take this base is also same area, if you take this base is also same area. Correct or not? So let it be meeting at Q. Now, area of ORS is equals to half into, now I will take OS as base and RQ as center. RQ as center. Yes. Now you see here half into, now OS we don't know, OS into RQ. RQ we don't know, OS is 5 and RQ. But here how much it is there? 12 is there. Therefore 24 by 5 is equals to RQ. It is nothing but equal to 4.8 centimeter. Therefore, RM is equals to 2 times of RQ is equals to 2 into 4.8 is nothing but 9.6 centimeters. Okay, na? So like this we should find out. Yes. One more small problem. 3 friends are standing on a circle such that their distance between them is same. That means what? A, B, C both are same. The radius of the circle is 20 centimeters. Okay, na? Yes, this is O and this is B, like this. Here, equal distance means this is also x, this is also x, and this is also x. So we should find out the sides of the equivalent triangle or the size of the spring between them. We have to find out. Very simple. Here, it is 20 centimeters. We know that this is the centroid. O is nothing but centroid. We know that OA by OD is in the form of 2:1. 2:1. What is OA here? OA is 20 by OD is equals to 2 by 1. Therefore, OD equal to 2 by 2. It is nothing but 10 centimeters. Therefore, OD how much it is? 10 centimeters. Since it is a perpendicular, we can use Pythagoras theorem. You can use Pythagoras theorem. You use Pythagoras theorem? Yes. OB square is equals to BD square plus OD square. So OB square how much? 20 square is equals to BD square, don't know, plus 10 square. So 400 minus 100. Okay na? 400 minus 100 equal to BD, or 300 is equals to BD square. Therefore, 100 can be written as 10 into 3, 100 into 3, that is BD square, which implies BD is equals to 10 root 3. But this is BD. It will divide into two equal parts. Therefore, BC equal to 2 into 10 root 3, it will become 20. Okay na? Like this we have to find it. Very simple. Okay na? Right. Since you can write, since O is a centroid they are in the ratio 2 by 1. That means what? You can write OA is to OD is equals to 2 is to 1. Now just cross multiplication. OA, how much he has given OA? OA is 20 by OD is equals to 2 divided by 1. Therefore, OD equal to 20 by 2 is equals to 10 centimeters. Okay na? Now, in triangle OBD, OD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equals to BD square plus OD square. Any doubt, please? Yes? Yeah. OB how much is there? 20 square is equals to BD as usual square plus OD is 10 square. 400 minus 100 is equals to BD square. 300 is equals to BD square. 100 into 3, that is BD, that is equals to 10 root 3. Therefore, BC is equals to 2 times of BD is equals to 2 into 10 root 3 equal to 10 root 3 centimeters. Okay na? So like this, each, because it is an equilateral triangle, therefore we can write AB equal to BC equal to AC equal to 20 root 3 centimeters. Yes. One more very important theorem. The theorem says a chord subtends an angle at the center, that is this will be equal to twice of the angle which is subtended to the other side of the chord. Okay na? That means what? We should prove that angle AOC equal to 2 times of ABC. We have to prove like this. Okay na? So very simple. So take like this. This is D. Okay? Now consider this triangle and this triangle. First you ask. Before going to this, we should know what is the property of an exterior angle. If ABC is a triangle, then this ACD is an exterior angle. Exterior angle. So when it is exterior means we know that angle ACD will be equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. That means what? Angle A plus angle B. Understood? This exterior angle will be equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. This is the property of exterior angle. So now I will take ABO triangle. For this, AOD is an exterior angle. Okay na? AOD is an exterior angle. Therefore, what I will do? Angle AOD equal to angle OAB plus angle OBA. But if you observe this OA and OB, these two are equal sides. Equal sides means it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, we know that if two sides are equal, then opposite angles are also equal. Then what happened? Angle OAB Yes, you can write, but angle OAB equal to angle OBA. Therefore, angle AOD equal to 2 times of angle, you can write ABO. This is 1. Okay na? Next, similarly we can write angle AOD na? AOD, sir. AOD, yes. COD equal to 2 times of angle CBO. This is 2. Adding both. Then what happened? AOD plus COD is equals to 2 times of ABO plus 2 times of CBO. If you take 2 common, ABO plus CBO. 2 times of ABO plus CBO. What we can write? ABC. Here AOD plus COD. Directly we can write AOB. Therefore, this is the proof. You understand? Yes. I will tell the proof very simply, very neat way. Now, data. What is the data? In circle, ABC is any triangle. ABC is any triangle. Now, AC is the chord. AC is the chord. To prove angle AOC, sorry, what we have to prove here? Angle AOC. Yes. Angle AOC is equals to 2 times of angle ABC. Okay na? Now, construction. Extend BO to BD. Okay na? Yes. Proof. Consider the triangles ABO and CBO. Since AOD and COD are the exterior angles. Therefore, by the property, angle AOD is equals to angle OAB plus OBA. Okay na? So it is nothing but equal to, if you see this, but angle OAB equal to angle OBA, because OB and OA are the two radii. Therefore, in a isosceles triangle, the angles which are opposite to equal sides are equal. Therefore, we can write angle AOD equal to 2 times of angle ABO. This is the first one. Okay na? Similarly, angle COD is equals to angle OBC plus angle OCB, but angle OBC is equal equals to angle OCB. Therefore, angle COD equal to 2 times of angle OBC. This is second. Now, adding these two, now what we will get? 1 plus 2, we will get angle AOD plus angle COD equal to 2 times of angle ABO plus 2 times of angle CBO or OBC, one and the same, no problem. We can write OBC, then 2 if you take common ABO plus OBC, it is nothing but equal to 2 times of angle ABC. Okay na? Yes, this is equals to angle AOC. Yes, this is the